Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in ruby red metallic with black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This vehicle has also been leveled, has BF Goodrich tires, and has a tonneau cover. It's a 3.5 V6 EcoBoost. It's a 4x4, and it also has a sport package which has a center console as well as the unique sport cloth interior. It has a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on test drive. And speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. There's a grab handle making it easier to get in, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center is a little bit of a cubby, as well as your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. You also have your sources, and this is a touch screen, so you can touch on your media choices, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. And there you go. And you also have your settings. Again, you can touch on the screen, slide through for different things like Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. Down below, volume and tuner. There's your CD player. And then you have dual climate control, sorry, not dual heated seats for driver and passenger. And there's your AC and max AC. As well, you have front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup. There's another little cubby. And in the center, you have USB outlets. If you don't want to see that or close it up, just push in the center. You have an automatic select shifter, and there's your drive mode. When you press on that, it'll appear on your dash. So you have drive, normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and then back around again. There's a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up, and inside there's a bin. You can take that out. Down below, lots of storage and a 12-volt. Off to the side is your 12-volt and 110 outlet. You have a locking glove compartment, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder. You also have a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that button's for. And then, on a nice day like today, we can push the button and open up that dual panel moonroof. You have Goodrich tires, 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera's just below that handle, and there's backup sensors on your bumper. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. You'll notice you have that nice tonneau cover. The box is lined with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have a tailgate step. This makes it easier to get in. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. Pull the tab and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. An all-weather mat goes from one end to the other for easy cleanup, but there's extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. A couple of cup holders in the center there with a 12-volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as air vents. There's grab handles in the body, hooks and lighting, and that panoramic view up above. And in the back, access to a power sliding window. Body-colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.